what is up, guys? Welcome back. Modest Racing, finally back with another video. I know I am horrible at making videos, and I get questions from you guys all the time like, hey, when are you guys gonna make another video? Which I really appreciate. Thank you guys so much for the support. Now, why am I making a video now? Well, because some of you may have forgotten that I have an S15 Silvia. Some of you may have forgotten that I put a 2JZ into that Silvia S15. Now, I brought it over because with work, with everything else, got very busy. So I brought it over to the one shop that I trust more than anyone else, that is Excel Motorworks and my good friend, Alan. Now, if you watch that dude in blue, you will see Alan in a bunch of his videos. Alan is an amazing guy, and he takes every car that he builds like it is his own and exactly what he would want, and that's just perfection. So I brought it over to him. It's been a long time. We kept changing plans. Hey, let's do this. Hey, let's do this. All kinds of stuff. So without further ado, I am on my way over to Alan's right now to pick up the S15. Finally, we are bringing it home, and I cannot wait to show you guys everything that we have done with it. So give me a second and let's pick up the S15.
You're too tall. Guys, this is Alan, owner of Excel. Owner?
Yes, sir.
Also the one who built the S15. I just want to say thank you so much. One, Alan's a really good friend of mine for many years now.
Yeah.
And again, like I said earlier, the only person I trust with one of our cars.
Yeah.
So, thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
Anything you want to say?
You know, we're very blessed to have the opportunity to build a very iconic import, especially with the swap that we love doing, the 2JZ. We're just very blessed for the opportunity, and we're really excited to see where it goes from here, and hope to see this thing turn in some numbers here soon, some really high numbers.
The plan is the car's going to get body work done, suspension done, and then after everything like that is sorted out, we're going to come back over here and turn up the boost.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, man. Can't wait.
Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
Means a lot. Yeah, man. All right, guys, we have the taillights installed. We have this just temporarily mounted right now, just a couple pieces of double-sided tape, just so I can get a feel of how it looks for now. Which I do like how pretty much flat it is from the roof of the car to the actual spoiler. Don't worry, there will be some kind of spoiler one in the back. I just don't know what to do yet. But anyways, guys, welcome back to Olivia the Silvia with her fresh 2JZ. Got a couple pieces on already, and guys, I got so much more coming, but I gotta get this video out. So enjoy a couple extra glamour shots and stay tuned for the next video, because tomorrow I should be getting in a lot of money of suspension pieces. We're literally redoing everything on the suspension of this car to make her as happy as possible before we just focus right on the exterior and getting her painted. So guys, thanks for watching. I know it's been a long time. I'm gonna try to upload more, but thank you for watching, and I guess I'll see you next time.